How to remove blackheads naturally. Are you tired of blackheads? And have you tried everything you can to get rid of it and failed? I have good news for you. In this video, I will share with you a few simple things that you can do at home to rid yourself of blackheads once and for all. Watch now to learn how. Blackheads can be the difference between beautifully clear and horrendously unsightly skin. The trouble is that they can appear even when you follow a good skincare routine. Plus, having them removed by a dermatologist can be painful and expensive. Thankfully, there are things you can do at home to remove blackheads naturally, easily, and inexpensively. To get rid of blackheads naturally, there are generally 3 things you can do. 1. Exfoliate your skin to rub the blemishes off. 2. Create your pore strips to pull the blackheads off. And 3. Nourish the skin to minimize the growth of blackheads. Here's how to do each one. 1. Exfoliate the area. It's a good idea to exfoliate your skin regularly, but pay special attention to the areas that have the most blackheads. After exfoliating, you'll notice that your skin is immediately clearer. But if you do this regularly, you won't just get rid of existing blackheads, but keep new ones from forming. Any gentle exfoliant will do, but one that works exceptionally well is a mixture of baking soda and water. Make a paste from 2 tablespoons of warm water and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Massage the paste onto your skin in circular motions and then wash it off with warm water before following your regular skincare routine. Apart from gently rubbing off your blackheads, the baking soda will help balance out your skin's pH levels, making you less prone to all sorts of blemishes in the future. 2. Make your pore strips. Pore strips work by pulling blackheads out of their pores. While commercial pore strips are inexpensive, you can make them at home with natural ingredients. There are many ways to make your pore strips, but one of the simplest and most inexpensive ways is to whisk egg whites. Cleanse your face and pat it dry with a clean towel. Then, using your fingers or a brush, apply it onto your nose and other areas teeming with blackheads. Place a layer of tissue on top and wait for it to dry. It'll take around 20 minutes for it to dry and harden completely. By then, you can slowly peel it off and watch as the blackheads are stripped from your skin. 3. Nourish your skin with a DIY mask. A DIY mask won't instantly remove your existing blackheads, but is one of the best ways to nourish your skin and keep blackheads from forming. When you create an environment where blackheads cannot grow, you're effectively getting rid of all sorts of blemishes permanently. There are many recipes for DIY face masks, but one that works particularly well for blackheads is one made from kasturi turmeric. Don't use regular turmeric powder, although that will provide the same antibacterial benefits. It will very likely stain your face yellow. Kasturi turmeric won't do that and is readily available in most health food stores. To make this mask, mix a tablespoon of organic virgin coconut oil, a tablespoon of kasturi turmeric with a tablespoon of water. Mix it until you've made a homogeneous paste. Apply it on your entire face and leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it off thoroughly with warm water. These methods for removing blackheads naturally will give you instant results, but don't expect them to remove all your blemishes right away. Choose the method that you prefer and do it twice a week. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming clearer and blackheads appear very infrequently, if at all. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.